How to increase the font size in the Gate.io application. First of all, open the Gate application on your smartphone and log into your account. To increase the font size, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside this profile section, tap on your profile name at the top and then click on Preference. Inside Preference, tap on Font Size and toggle on the switch right next to turn on larger size, and you'll be able to see a small slider at the very bottom of the screen. Go ahead and drag it towards the right to increase the font size, whereas in order to decrease the font size, you'll need to drag it towards the left. Just go ahead and drag the slider and select the font size you want and tap on Done at the top right corner and click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your font size increased and it appears different now. Now your screen should be much easier to read and more comfortable for trading, checking charts, and browsing features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.